Hi guys, hope you're having a good spring break right now, and I will be posting more things into class tag and different activities, spelling words and math worksheets and whatnot come Monday. But I did want to just touch on our math lesson that we were working on right when this extended break had started. So I want to just do a quick refresher on it for you. And at the end, I'm going to be giving you an activity to do. You don't have to do it today, but it is a nice day outside. And it will be a fun activity that will get you up and moving around. So I think you might have some fun with it anyways. So if you guys remember, right before we started our extended break, we started talking about a new topic. Our new topic was talking all about shapes and about those shapes. So we were learning what a polygon is. And a polygon is a plane shape that has 3 or more sides. The sides have to connect, so we can't have an opening, and they can't be squiggly or curved, so we can't have a circle. So some shapes that are polygons are up here. I have a triangle, which I think you guys all know, a square, then we have a pentagon, which that's the shape that kind of looks like a house, and then we have a hexagon, okay? So we were talking about how many different sides and angles and vertices that each of your shapes had the last time we were together for math. So if you remember, your triangle had how many sides? How many sides does the triangle have? The triangle has 3. So we need to count our sides in order to make sure it's a triangle. It looks like a triangle, but we're going to count them. So we're going to put an X on each side as we count it so we know how many we have. So I'm using a different color chalk so you can hopefully see it a little bit better. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. We have 1, 2, 3 angles. And we have 1, 2, 3 vertices. So we have a triangle. Now this shape is a square. And a square has, how many sides does a square have? Square has 4. 4. So we're going to count and we're going to check it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides for our square. Now a square has 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 vertices. Now, something that has 4 sides, there's another word for it, because just because it has 4 sides doesn't mean that it's a square, okay? We might have a long one like this. It's not a square, but it's a rectangle. But there's something that shapes that have 4 sides are called. You guys were having a lot of fun trying to say that word when we were working on it in math. Okay, if it had 4 sides, does anybody remember that name that it was? It started with a Q. It was a quadrilateral. Okay, so if it has 4 sides, it is a quadrilateral. So a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So that makes it a quadrilateral. A rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And it has 4 angles, and it has 4 vertices. So that makes it a quadrilateral. You might have a shape like this. Is that a quadrilateral? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So that would make that a quadrilateral too. Now, if I have this shape, is that shape a quadrilateral? Let's count the sides and find out. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. So if it has 3 sides, can it be a quadrilateral? Nope. It has to have 4 sides. 4. Okay? 4 sides makes quadrilateral. Now, we are going to look at this one. This is called a pentagon. So if a triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. A quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 angles. How many do we think a pentagon's going to have? What do we think a pentagon's going to have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a pentagon is going to have 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your pentagon's the one that looks like a house shape, okay? Then it has 5 sides. Will it always look like a house shape? Might not. But it will always have 5 sides. Now you have a hexagon, okay? A hexagon, wonder how many sides that should have. Well, we had 3, and we had 4, and we had 5. What do you think a hexagon's going to have? Anybody seeing the pattern that we're going with here today? You're going to have 6. So we're going to count out our sides on our hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sides. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. Okay? So, since we have 6 sides, 6 vertices, and 6 angles, we have a hexagon. Okay? So, if I gave you this shape and said, what kind of a shape is this? Is this a triangle? Is it a quadrilateral, a hexagon, or a pentagon? What would you say? Well, before you can say anything, you're going to have to count the sides for me. So put X's on the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it has 4 sides, so it's going to be a quadrilateral because it's not the shape of a square, but it's going to be a quadrilateral. So if you have a square, a rectangle, those are also quadrilaterals too. Okay? Even though that line's not the straightest, there we go. Okay, so you have a quadrilateral here, here, and here. They might look a little different, but there's 4 sides. So if you have 4 sides, you're going to end up with a quadrilateral. So what I want you guys to do for me is I want you to either go around your house, or if you can go outside, and I want you to find me 3 things that look like a triangle. What 3 things can you find inside or outside around your house that looks like a triangle? If you look everywhere and you can't find something, draw one. Make one up, write it down. So after you find your 3 items that look like a triangle, I want you to find me 4 quadrilaterals. So they could be a square over here, a rectangle. It could be this shape. Anything that has 4 sides, but they have to come together. If you have a side like, or if you have a shape like this, let's see, it's hard to erase this. 1, 2, 3, 4, but it doesn't connect. See how there's that opening there? That can't be a quadrilateral. Okay? There can't be an opening, no gaps. So I want you to find me 4 things that looks like a quadrilateral. Write them down. Maybe have someone take a picture of it for you. Then after you got your 4 quadrilateral items, I want you to find 5 things that looks like a hexagon. Okay? You need to find 5 things that looks like a hexagon. If you can't find 5 things that looks like a hexagon, draw me some hexagons. Now, if I just had you do that for triangles, quadrilaterals, and pentagons, which is 3, 4, and 5, what do we think I'm going to make you do for hexagons? What do you think? What do you think you're going to have to go out and do for a hexagon? Do you think you're going to have to go find me something with 7 sides? Probably not, right? You're going to need to go out and find me something that has 6 sides and makes a hexagon, okay? So I want you to go around and find 6 things that's a hexagon. And if you can't find those, don't worry about it. Draw me 6 hexagons, okay? So I want you to get up, move around, find some objects that look like these, write them down for me, and then I want you to have someone post them in class tag so that I know you did it, or you could take a picture of what you did and post it in class tag for me. I'll also be putting up a worksheet for you guys to work on too. You don't have to do it today. You don't have to do this today. I want you guys to enjoy your spring break, but I know some of you absolutely really love math and might want something different to do today. Other math things you can work on too while you're off is you can still log on to your Prodigy account, guys. And you can also log on to your ExactPath for math, and that will keep growing with you. So as you keep progressing in your ExactPath, it will keep getting harder, and you will keep progressing with it. And if it gets too hard and you don't understand any of the questions, please, please, please just message me in class tag, and I would be more than happy to help you or make a video to post on here to help try to explain it better for you. Okay, so I will see you guys later, and I hope you have fun going around and finding me all these shapes. And if you can, go on class tag, and I want you to tell me what shape, what do you think my earrings would be? Try to count the sides of my earrings, and I want to see if anybody can tell me what shape those are. Okay? Miss you guys. Bye.